Set to release in April 2026, the Air Jordan 13 Low He Got game puts a modern spin on a legendary colorway. Originally popularized by Denzel Washington's character in Spike Lee's He Got Game, the classic black, white, and red palette now lands on a lower, sleeker silhouette. Crafted with premium white leather, black suede overlays, and vibrant true red accents, this release honors the original while offering a refreshed look. The iconic paw-like outsole and holographic logo remain intact, preserving the shoe's connection to Michael Jordan's late Bulls era. Though the high-top version holds deep roots in basketball history and film, this low top delivers the same nostalgic impact with a streamlined edge. Whether you're a collector or a new fan, the He Got Game Low is poised to make waves. Expect to find it at select retailers and on Nike.com. Stay tuned for more updates.